Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss Beckmann rearrangement. In Beckmann rearrangement, take benzophenone, it converted into benzophenone oxime and it transferred oxime into amide formation. It involves the migration of the phenyl group from carbon to nitrogen atom. After the oxygen is converted into good leaving group. This is the reaction: benzophenone in ammonium hydroxide and ethanol converted into benzophenone oxime. Then acidic condition form benzanilide. Its mechanism: take benzophenone in ammonium hydroxide, then ethanol solvent. Lone pair of nitrogen is attack on carbonyl carbon and oxygen having negative charge, and it abstract the proton of ammonium nitrogen, so that OH nitrogen lone pair giving in resonance and remove of the OH minus, and nitrogen having positive charge, so that H minus will be removed. Give benzophenone oxime intermediate. Benzophenone intermediate in acidic condition, oxygen lone pair abstract the proton, then formation of this intermediate, so OH2 plus will be less stable, then this bond transfer to nitrogen and nitrogen lone pair attack on the phenyl carbon, so that this intermediate will be formed and its resonating structure will be this, so that carbon having positive charge, so that water molecule attack on carbon, so OH2 plus removal of hydrogen, so that we will get OH. In acidic condition, nitrogen lone pair abstract the proton, so that oxygen lone pair in conjugation and nitrogen having neutralized, so oxygen having positive charge, so H plus will be removed, then we will get benzanilide.